Why are more and more people choosing the automatic car wash model? This is a trend happening quietly but clearly in the car wash service industry in Southeast Asia. More and more people are choosing to invest in the automatic car wash model. This is no longer a field reserved for a large garage, a high-end car care center, even small premises. Owners, people who used to do traditional car wash business, or even individuals who are completely new to the service industry, they are also interested, learning and deciding to start with the automatic model. Because they realize one thing, this is a truly modern, neat, and easy to operate direction and has long-term development potential. In the past, the image of the car wash shop was often associated with a temporary, concrete, iron roof, a few rudimentary iron frame, splashing water, and employing diligently scrubbing its car by hand. That since was so familiar that everyone thought it was the only way to wash a car. But now, everything has changed. A car can now be washed within 8 to 10 minutes. Through a modern automatic system with a close process from softening dirt, cleaning the wheel, changing the body, to rinsing and drying. Customers don't need to wait long. Shop owners don't need to hire too many workers, and the entire space becomes professional, neat, and clean. This trend does not appear randomly. It originates from the development of the domestic car market in the past few years. The number of private cars has increased rapidly in small provinces and cities. Cars are no longer a luxury asset as before, but have become an essential means of transport for many families. Office workers, technology drivers, or small business owners. As the number of cars increases, the demand for car washing also increases. However, the traditional hand washing model can no longer keep up with that flow rate. Manual car washing requires a lot of labor. Its cost takes from 20 to 30 minutes and is prone to contraction on rainy day or weekend. The quality is not consistent among employees. Shop owners often face problems today, lack of workers, sloppy work, and loss of revenue. Meanwhile, customers today are increasingly demanding. They not only want their car to be clean, but also want them to be washed quickly, on time, and without waiting. They expect a professional experience, safe for the car, and time saving for themselves. Automatic car washing machines were brought to solve exactly those weaknesses. A modern system can handle the entire car washing process in about 8 to 10 minutes. The car is placed in position. The foam spray system automatically softens dirt. The soft brush rotates along the car body, combined with a high-pressure spray nozzle to clean the wheel, chassis, and glass. Then comes the step of rinsing and drying completely with hot air. This process is completely automatic, freezes, and has no deviation between washes. The operator only needs to monitor the system. No need for heavy labor, no need for continuous intervention. In addition to the outstanding efficiency in time and quality, the modern washing system also has a built-in car counter and wash tracking software, helping investors control daily revenue without having to be present at the shop. This is something that the traditional model cannot do at all. Not only that, customer also feels more satisfied when being served in professional process. They trust come back more, and that is what creates sustainable growth for the shop. This model is especially suitable for those who own premises from 200 to 300 square meters located near resident area, gas station, car showroom, or busy road. Those who have run other services today, restaurant, motorbike washes, or parking lot can also take advantage of the premises to switch to an automatic car wash model, optimizing revenue without having to be present every day. Even young people who want to start a business but don't want to worry about human resource management can choose this direction. Investing once, setting up a standard process, and then monitoring remotely is completely feasible. Another attractive point is that this model can be easily combined many additional services today: interior cleaning, decommissioning, nano coating, engine compartment care, to increase the value of each customer without having to expand the staff too much. Therefore, profits are improved while operations remain streamlined and efficient. In developed countries today, Japan, Korea, or Singapore, automatic car wash has been popular for more than a decade. In Vietnam, this trend is in early stage. Whoever goes first will gain market share and create a first brand impression in the region. If no one has implemented it within a few kilometers in your area, then the opportunity to be the first is right in front of you. If you are looking for a smart investment model that does not require a lot of trial start, is easy to operate, has profit, and has the potential to develop into a chain in the future, then an automatic car wash is a very worthy option to consider. And if you can act earlier than others, you will have a great advantage in building a brand and creating a stable source of income right in the first year. If you want to learn more about the machine, premises operating producer, or implementation trialing of this model locally, please leave a comment or contact us directly for more specific support.